In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Taylor Brands, and I'm also going to review their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms out there in the market. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page. After arriving on their website, click on the Form an LLC button. Then select the state where you want to file your LLC at. You will see a drop-down box with all the states in the U.S. where you can register an LLC after clicking the Choose Your LLC button. Since I will form an LLC in Georgia, I will select that and click the Get Started button. On the next page, select a business name. I will just type out a random business name and click on the Check Availability button. It will then tell me whether my business name can register as an LLC in that state. If your business is currently available, then you will see this screen on your dashboard. After that, Taylor Brands will show you 4 simple steps on how to start an LLC using their platform. Clicking on the next button, Taylor Brands will ask you what industry your business operates in. You will see 5 options, which are physical goods, services, leisure and hospitality, original content, and technology and software. If you think your business falls under any other industries, click on the Other checkbox and type the name of the industry your business operates at. For the sake of making this video, I will just select physical goods and click on Next. Then Taylor Brands will ask you a bunch of questions, and all you have to do is answer them depending on the stage your business is at and click on the Next button. Now, in the next section, they will ask you to provide your personal details. Just type out your first and last name, your personal phone number, and your email address. For the sake of creating this video, I will just type out a random name and personal information, but while filling out this form, always use your own verified information. After filling out this section, click on Next. Now, in the next section, Taylor Brands will ask you whether you want to use their EIN service or not. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit social security number for your business, which will be required for filing taxes, banking formalities, hiring employees, and important for grants and loans. You can file your EIN for $0 from your state's website, but if you don't have any EIN and want to file for one hassle-free, then you can select the $99 option and Taylor Brands will handle everything for you. After clicking on Help Me Get My EIN checkbox, click on Next. Now, in the next section, Taylor Brands will ask you whether you want to use their registered agent service. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So one way or another, you are gonna need one. Taylor Brands charges $199 per year for its registered agent service, which, in my perspective, is not a lot, and it will cost you more money if you want to find one outside of their platform. After clicking on Use Taylor Brands checkbox, click on Next. In the next section, Taylor Brands will ask you whether you want to get compliance document service from them, which is required at the time of annual reporting and filing deadlines. You can decide to purchase this service for an extra $199. Since these documents are needed at the end of your LLC renewal period, which will be 1 year from now, I will just avoid this and click on Next. After that, they will ask you whether you want to get business building tools from them, like a professional website and domain name, a beautiful logo, and business merchandise. This service will cost you an extra $1,000 plus, which they didn't mention in this section, so I will just avoid this service for now. But if your business is at the launch period and you need a professional website and brand designer, then you can also select their service. After selecting your desired option, click on the Next button. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not. Normally, if you form your LLC through them, the typical waiting time is about 2 weeks. But if you select this service too, then they will process all your documents and legal formalities within 2 days and file your LLC for an additional $49. Since I don't need this service, I will just click on I Can Wait button and move on to the next section. After that, Taylor Brands will ask you whether you want to get operating agreement documents through them, which is essential for filing your LLC in any state. For an additional $29, they will write an operating agreement for you which will document how you will operate your business, protect your personal assets from your business assets, proof of business operation according to the state laws, etc. You can also open your business bank account hassle-free using your LLC after submitting this document. So, I highly recommend you to get this service through them because it will save you a lot of money and time later on. After clicking on the Get My Operating Agreement button, just click on the Next button. And at last, Taylor Brands will ask you whether you want to get a business bank account through them. Since this is a free service, it's up to you whether you want to get this service or not. As you can see, they are partnering with Mercury, and getting this bank account will cost you $0 per month, no minimum balance is required to open one, and you will also get a fee-free business debit card. For the sake of creating this video, I will just select the I don't need an account button and click on Next. After filling this section correctly, it's going to send you to the payment section and will show you your total due amount. It will also show you all the services your package is included with. You can also include or exclude any service you want in this section. When you are done selecting, click on the Proceed button and it will ask for your card number. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order and you will receive your LLC within 2 weeks. So for just $299 in total, you can register your own LLC today. Now, what makes Taylor Brands stand out? To start, they're backed by a team of professionals, as I've already mentioned. There are over 500,000 businesses that have been launched with Taylor Brands already. So that means that the team behind it are experts who are getting things right when it comes to helping us citizens set up and launch our businesses. Secondly, their premium support. This is what I personally like about Taylor Brands. The fact that you can access priority support from the company whenever you need help with an issue really gets me. As a user, you have full access to a 24/7 priority support team, and better yet, they will readily guide you every step of the way and assist you with any issues you may have. Let me just confirm that you can contact the support team via chat and email. Both of these options are open and responses are very swift. And, lastly, their swift LLC formation service. Taylor Brands allow you to, and let me just use their own words here, form your LLC like a pro in 5 minutes. The process is straightforward and very hassle-free. So should you use Taylor Brands? So personally, I feel Taylor Brands is an excellent solution for forming an LLC for your business. It is super fast and very simple to use, and if nothing else, the fact that you can also access many other complementary services, such as logo, design, website, building domain registrar, and even business cards, puts the company very high up there on my list, and the prices are also very reasonable for the services they provide and, in my opinion, are definitely worth the time that you'll be saving. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well, and start your entrepreneurial journey. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and that's all for today.